What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Scale Rodder Collective YouTube channel. I definitely appreciate you guys all tuning in and being here. I know this video is long overdue, so let's go ahead and get into it. First thing we got is a Max Steel from the Rod Squad. This is 2025 B case. Definitely really nice. Then we have a 90 Honda Civic EF from the Hot Wheels 70 versus the 90s. Definitely a really nice looking Honda Civic. Again, B case, 2025. Next up, we have a 55 Chevy, also a part of the Rod Squad series. Has some really nice looking paint on it. Looks like it has a maroon or red interior. Definitely really nice. Next up, we have a 67 Chevy C10 Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Again, really nice pinstriping and paint color. Really nice looking casting. Next up, we have a 66 Buick Riviera and a really nice color, like a blue metallic. Part of the Hot Wheels Modified, new for 2025. Really nice looking casting. Then we got a 80 El Camino Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Definitely can't go wrong with picking one of those up. Next up, from the Hot Wheels Design By, we have the Purple Passion. Really nice looking purple color. Nice paintwork. Next up, we have a M2 32 Ford. Black with red paint. Definitely a nice one. Next up, we have a Johnny Lightning Johnny Speed Shops South Bend, Indiana Zinger 32 Ford Highboy. This is a Auto World exclusive. Definitely a really cool card with the chrome flames and really nice looking casting all around. Next up, we have a Johnny Lightning Widowmaker Collector Club exclusive custom hearse drag racer, which is just a hauling hearse, but really nice looking. Got Hoosier slicks on the back, a white wall in the front, beadlock rims. Really like that red and white checkered Widowmaker on the top with the spider webs. Definitely a really nice one. And last but not least, we have a Johnny Lightning Rat Fink 1950s Chevy Suburban. Got some doodles all over it. Big Daddy RF, the Rat Fink right there, eyeballs. Definitely really cool. Ed, Big Daddy Roth right there on the fender. Then we have Rat Fink on the roof. And color there. Definitely really nice. Really groovy looking card. Before we get into the model kits, I'll show you guys some recent finds. Haven't really been hunting diecast all that much, but we did find a Ford Transit Supervan that has been on the list. Definitely a really nice looking casting. Just got to get the Matt and Debbie Hayes Boulevard Premium, but definitely a nice casting. And then from the pop culture, we did get the Hot Wheels Premium Batman, the Caped Crusader, definitely really nice. 1985 Chevy Astrovan, drag edition. Got the two big stacks blowing through the hood there. Woolly bars, shoot. But really like the black with the red pinstriping and the lettering, so I had to pick that up. And I think the reason why it was left behind is because the blister is cracked, but doesn't really bother me. Went ahead and grabbed it. So let's go ahead and get into the model kits. All right, so first up for the models, we have a Weirdo Satan crate. Definitely a pretty cool model kit. Been wanting this one for a while. Definitely like the Weirdos. And this is a pretty nice one. Just a quick look at the box. Definitely really awesome. Happy to have it in the stash. Next up, we have the mailbox chopper from Ed Big Daddy Roth. This is a MPC trick trike. So I needed this one, and the taco trike is the last one that I need, and I will have the whole set. But can't wait to see that decal sheet. Can't wait to get into this one. Next up, we have a AMT Phantom van, Ford Econoline custom van, build stock or custom. Definitely has some really nice looking parts in it and a nice decal sheet. So we're definitely going to use that. Comes with some different window options. You got a diamonded teardrop and then this like oval that's like melted a little bit, but definitely really nice. Not sure how I'm gonna do this one up yet, but definitely can't wait to get into it. Next up, we have a Monogram Car Show 58 Ford Thunderbird convertible 2-in-1. You can build it as a convertible or as a bubble top. Definitely really nice, has some cool decals in it. So there's the bubble top version. The interior, the bubble top, and the interior of the convertible. Definitely really nice. I already have a 62 Ford Thunderbird, so I am going to build this one as a bubble top, and then I'm going to build the 62 as a convertible or just stock. But definitely a really nice kit. Next up, we have a Hot Rod Magazine Pro Street Thunderbird, Matt and Debbie Hayes. This is another one of my grill cars, just like the Pontiac J2000. We'll be doing some more videos on this model here soon, kind of like I did with the J2000, going over a little bit of the history and showing some old magazines of it. But real quick, just showing you the box. Definitely an awesome kit. Definitely really happy to have that. And the last model kit we have to show, and the last thing we got, is the S Cool Bus. This is a 2003 re-release from Tom Daniels. Monogram S Cool Bus. Definitely a really awesome kit though. Has a dual engine, oversized air scoop. Definitely really cool. And this one has the orange windows where you can see the kids just like on the box art. Not even punched out of the card yet. But there's a look at all the kids that are on the bus. Definitely really awesome. Has some really nice decals as well. So definitely be on the lookout for when we build this. Lastly, we are still working on the custom Cobra chopper, so we'll be working on that soon and have some updates on it. I did build the engine so far, so just got to paint the frame, figure out what color I want to do that in. And once I do that, I'll have some more updates. So stay tuned. And thank you guys for checking out the channel. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. Definitely appreciate it. Thank you to all my subscribers, new and old, for sticking around and hanging out with me. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.